This conference will now be recorded.
So in this guys, we will learn about how to install Oracle SQL Developer and Oracle database. So first of all, I have given these links, the Google Drive links in my Google Drive. From there, I have given it. So you can download the SQL Developer first with this help of this link. I'll give these links in the YouTube video description. Now, when you open that link, you'll get this folder and you can download this folder. I have already downloaded this folder in my Google Drive from that Google Drive in my system. So here it looks like this type of folder you will get it. And after downloading this folder, you can cut this folder from here and put this folder in C drive or D drive, wherever you want to put. You can put that folder. After this, open this folder also. Here we have SQL Developer. SQL Developer, we don't need to install it. Just right click into that and create a desktop shortcut. Like this, we'll get the desktop shortcut here. And then after that, the next thing is what we need to do is we need to download Oracle database. That also given the Google Drive link. Here is it. Here is that file which we have it. It is also downloaded here in my downloads folder. Now, here we need to open that folder. Here is that file. This is the file which we need to install. So double click on that. It is taking a little time. Now like this. Click on yes. It is in process. It will take some time. Now it is done here.
This conference will now be recorded.
After downloading of that installation, here we are getting some option. Click on next, accept the terms, click on next, next. Now here we need to enter our password. Here the system is the username which we are going to use it. Enter the password. I'm entering it password. Click on next, install. Now it will install our database in our system. Now after installation of our database, what is the next step we need to do is we need to create a connection in our SQL developer. So open that SQL developer. So it is also installing. Till the time we'll open that SQL developer also. database is installing it. Our SQL developer is open. The database is still in process. So it will take some time. Now done. Our database has installed. So now what we need to do is we just need to create a database connection in our SQL developer. So how we can do it? Click on this plus button and then give the name, whatever the name you want to give. Just I'm giving name as Oracle, and then need to give our username system, and the username is capital. Password whichever we have given while installing our database, that we need to give. Then click on next. It is showing us successfully done. Here we can see. So it always need to show us successful. If successful is not done, that it means it is some problem in that. Now click on save and then click on connect. Now here again we can enter our password, the password which we have entered, and then entering our password, our database has been connected. Now in this to practice this SQL developer, what we require will require SQL tables. So how we can get that? Here is the SQL script which we have given. That also you can download from there. And for downloading the SQL script, that link is there. You can download that file and then you can put this file in C drive or in D drive, wherever you feel comfortable. You can put that. But remember that to run this SQL script, there is no space in that needs to be there. So I have already put that in my C drive. So just let me show that in C drive. Here is it. So just note down the path in the notepad file like this. Note down your file name and its extension, and then give the @ copy that command, paste it here, and then run it. So when I run it, it get completed successfully, and then we can start. We have our tables, whichever will require it. We'll get those tables, and by using those tables, we can start practicing it in our. Thank you, guys.